If you use high-quality wheel spacers that specifically fit your truck, there will be no problems. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improving performance. A key advantage of BONOSS wheel spacer is the active cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Wheel spacer can quickly solve positive wheel offset clearance issues. For the performance upgrades, if you replace the bigger brake calipers and a set of off-road wheels, the bigger brake calipers will reduce the gap between the wheel and the hub. It will be scratched when installing the positive offset wheels. With the help of Ford Maverick wheel spacers, you can perfectly solve the clearance problem by pushing the wheels out to provide more space, so that to fit the big brake calipers and off-road wheels.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!